Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a compatible Android device, free storage, and Play Store access. Install Userland and grant storage, network, and overlay permissions. Once done, open the app and pick a lightweight distro like Alpine or Debian to reduce initial download and RAM use. You will be prompted to set a username, password, and VNC or SSH preference. Enter secure credentials now so the session can initialize without interruption. Next, you configure the session details. Set file system size, select a session type, SSH versus VNC, and confirm display settings. You should choose SSH for terminal workflows and VNC for graphical apps. Once you start the session, Userland downloads the root file system and required packages. This can take several minutes depending on network speed. Make sure to monitor progress and accept any requested additional permissions. After extraction, connect using the app's provided SSH/VNC client to enter your Linux environment. To finish, update and secure the environment. Run apt update and apt upgrade, then install only needed packages to keep the system responsive. Configure shared storage so files persist between sessions and backup critical data regularly. If a service fails to start, restart the session and check logs in /var/log or journoctl. Common fixes include reinstalling a broken package or adjusting permissions. If connectivity problems persist, toggle airplane mode and reconnect Wi-Fi, then relaunch Userland and retry the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.